For millennia, we've gazed at the night sky, a vast canvas of glittering points against an endless black. We told stories, charted constellations, and built models of the cosmos, all based on that faint, visible light. We thought we had a pretty good idea of what was out there. We were just scratching the surface. Before the James Webb Space Telescope, much of the universe was simply hidden from us, shrouded in cosmic dust and stretched beyond the limits of visible light. We saw darkness, and we assumed it was emptiness. Now, we know that darkness has structure. It's teeming with the infrared glow of creation. Webb is not just another telescope. It's a time machine and a ghost hunter. It peers back over 13.5 billion years, capturing the faint reddish light from the universe's infancy. And what it's finding is rewriting the textbooks, chapter by chapter. The standard models of cosmology, the elegant equations that described the birth and growth of everything, are being challenged. They told us that the first galaxies should be small, chaotic, and somewhat primitive. But Webb is finding massive, well-structured, surprisingly mature galaxies in the early universe, far sooner than we thought possible. It's like finding a fully grown oak tree in a garden where you only expected to see seedlings. How did they get so big, so fast? The truth is, we don't fully know yet. That's the thrill of it. This isn't just about distant galaxies. Webb is changing our understanding of how stars and planets are born, even in our own cosmic neighborhood. It can pierce through the dense clouds of gas and dust where new solar systems are forming. We're seeing planetary nurseries with unprecedented clarity. The old idea was that planets form slowly, over many millions of years, as tiny dust grains gradually clump together. But Webb's discoveries suggest that this process might be much faster, much more efficient than we ever imagined. We're seeing the intricate chemistry of planet-forming disks, identifying molecules like water and carbon compounds, the very building blocks of life in places we couldn't probe before. This hints that the ingredients for life might be far more common throughout the cosmos than we previously dared to hope. Think about what this means. Every image Webb sends back is a piece of a puzzle we didn't even know we were solving. Humanity is no longer just guessing about the distant past. We are measuring it. We're not just theorizing about the first light. We're seeing it. Each new observation, each spectrum of a distant world's atmosphere quietly shifts our understanding of existence itself. We're seeing that cosmic complexity, the intricate dance of gravity, matter, and energy that leads to stars, planets, and perhaps life appeared much sooner than our theories predicted. The universe isn't just old, it has been complex for a very, very long time. This forces us to ask profound questions. If galaxies matured faster and planets formed quicker, could life also have emerged earlier in the cosmic timeline? Are we latecomers to a universe that has been bustling with activity for billions of years? These are no longer questions reserved for science fiction. They are active lines of scientific inquiry, driven by the data streaming down from Webb. The telescope hasn't changed the universe. Of course, the stars and galaxies have been there all along, evolving according to their own laws. What has changed is us, our perspective, our place in the story. We've gone from peering through a keyhole to opening the door, and the view is more magnificent and mysterious than we could have ever conceived. The age of discovery is not over. It has just entered a new, exhilarating phase. We are living in a time when our fundamental understanding of the cosmos is being redefined, not by philosophy, but by observation. The James Webb Space Telescope is more than an engineering marvel. It's an extension of our senses, a tool that fuels our minds and pushes us to look beyond our limits. The story of the universe is still being written, and for the first time, we can read the earliest pages. Thanks for joining us on this cosmic journey to keep fueling your mind beyond its limits. Make sure to subscribe to Earth and Space for more incredible science from across our universe.